Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm starting my day with my coffee again and I'm in my office. There's just one day left and I have so much of packing and I have to go get my nails done. I have to do my packing. I've given some clothes for alteration. I have to collect those. I have to try them out. Oh my god, there's too much. I have to purchase shampoos, conditioner and all. मुझे बहुत घबराहट हो रही है to be very honest. I'm just really liking how I'm looking today. Indian and all stuff. Yeah. Yeah, and I forgot to shoot the lunch vlog. We are finished. We had sandwich, paneer bhurji, paratha, and corn cheese paratha. So as I was saying, I had paratha and then I had chas. And I'm feeling so sleepy. You can make it out from my face that I'm feeling sleepy. There's a medical room in my office, but then everyone goes and sleeps there, so I can't. Anyways, more to raw. More 2 hours, then I'll go. घर पे जाके सो जाऊंगी. Guys, I've come to the parlor. I have to do my vaccine, my spa, and my cleanup. But then I can only fit in one thing today because they are busy right now. And yeah, so when I go to do my nails tomorrow, I'll complete the other two things. फाइनली घर पहुंच गई हूँ और मैंने मेरा सिर्फ वैक्सीन और आईब्रो कराया है आज और मुझे बस बताना था that I've got these comfortable footwear. These are so cute. And I've gotten these pink and blue socks and look at the detailing. And a fitted top, basic fitted white top to wear on a skirt. That's it. Now I'll have my dinner and I'll see you all tomorrow. Good morning, guys. It's almost afternoon. I'm waking up at 11. I was supposed to go to the parlor at 10, finish my work there, and then go meet Simran at 2. But then now I'll directly go meet Simran at 2 because I'm feeling very lazy. So I'll just get some rest. I'll lie down again and I've woken up because I was very hungry, to be very honest. So I'm drinking my tea and then there's aloo bhajia. My mom has baked that. Yeah, I'll eat. I'll shower, then I'll go meet Simran. We'll get our nails done. And I'll see when I have to go to the parlor. After drinking tea, I've gathered the will to go and do my parlor, clean up and spa. Bad guy. So now I'll get ready with y'all and I'll make this video a little fast forward wherever I'm applying or blending something. I've moisturized my face, I've applied sunscreen, and now this is Foxtail tinted sunscreen. I mostly use this only. It's great for combination skin and it's not too oily, it's not too dry, it's just the right consistency. And yeah, and ड्यूरिंग समर्स आई डोंट नो मुझे फाउंडेशन या बीबीसीसी क्रीम भी बहुत हेवी लगता है सो यू कैन गो फॉर एनी टिंटेड sunscreen or tinted moisturizer of your choice. But if you have a oily skin, you shouldn't use this. And I think Foxtail. I should shut up. Then I can't fast forward. See, you can see it's just brighten up my face a little, and I'm looking a little more fresh than earlier. I'll just do a little basic makeup. Okay, sorry. This is Swiss Beauty Bold Matte Lip Liner, and the shade is. Why can't I see the shade? See the shade. Oh my god. Where do they write the shade? Dark Chocolate 12. So this is from Zudio. I took this day before yesterday from my bhabi. And this is eyebrow pen. And it has, I don't know if you can see it, it has very tiny 4 bristles. So it is very, and when it dries, It doesn't seem very powdery or cakey like the usual eyebrow pencils seem like, because they are pencils. So it is a little crayon texture. You can see it seems very sharp. Okay. Now, oh God, I'm getting that warning wala. Anyways, this is Double Trouble mascara from Mars. Earlier, 1 2 years back, I used to use lash color, but then on TikTok I saw, or not on TikTok, sorry, on Instagram I saw that someone's there was a lot of build up, product build up, and someone's whole lash came out, and from then I've sworn off lash color. So what I do is I just hold it here for a little time. So this even helps to take out the extra product or lumps, and it even gives me a decent lift. So yeah, now we'll go in with liner. I don't apply a lot of liner. Like I don't apply the whole liner. I just like to do this. This just gives a nice, cute, elongated eyelid kind of thing. It makes my eyes more puppy. So yeah. And then I don't know why my eyes are becoming so watery. Yeah. Well, I do this thing and people get really scared, like who is not, either it's a boy or who is not familiar with makeup. I lift my this and I put kajal here. That's the reason I don't apply liner. You can see the difference clearly. Okay, this is better than applying liner, I feel. I'll do the same on this. I don't know. I'm sorry if you all can hear some noises. My brother is on call with he's on a group call with my cousins, and I'm getting late, so I've not joined it. Hmm. I think Kajal is too much, no? Okay. Do what you all want, guys. Oh, don't let those girls who say, oh, मुझे तो मेकअप नहीं लगाना पसंद है. तुम लोग कैसे इतना कर लेते हो रोज रोज, stop y'all. It's a personal choice. You're not doing some plastic surgery on your face. You're just enhancing your natural beauty. So I think it is very okay. Don't listen to them. नहीं करना मत करो, मुझे तो करना है. यार, I've broken my palette and now I got my nails in it. Oh, that's too much. Why did I do that? When I'm getting late, I'm a mess. I have to order a beauty blender. I've written down things that I have to get. It's so cute. Usually, first I used to think that pink blush gives you that natural effect, but in reality, red blush gives you the natural effect, because even in winters, like my skin becomes a little red if I'm sleeping or something, or if there's too much of cold. So it's the red blush that gives you that effect. Natural, nice, gloomy kind of effect. I think pink is not that interesting. Okay, I'm done now. I've not applied lipstick. I don't know where that lip balm of mine has gone, which I was showing you all in the previous vlog. You just apply a lipstick. So this is from Rene, and I've used it a lot, like you can see. Even broken it. So yeah, but this is really nice. I love how it feels very natural, and for daily application, I don't think so. Powdered blush is what you want to use, because this is stays 9 to 5. This is a shade lighter to my lip balm. So that's it. I'm ready to go. I'm just wear my. These are so cute. I got these from Zudio. I have to put some nice earrings in my piercing. I don't know what they're talking about, but all I can hear is food. So yeah, that's done. What's this? Hand cream. Oh yeah, I got a lot of it. क्या बात कर रहे हो तुम लोग? इधर आ.
अरे रजनीश वाला 30 रुपए में करा था ना, तो उधर इन्फ्लेशन है डिफ्लेशन है। चलो
कहाँ?
भाई, क्या था वर्ड्स, क्या बोले थे वर्ड्स बोलो।
This is my brother. You're going to come in my vlog, huh?
पेरिफेरेशियस इनफ्लेमेबल इन क्या कौन सा वर्ड सीखना था मैंने.
I'll see you all when I'm with Simran. By the way, I borrowed this bag from Bhavi and this is so cute. See? What's I love Coney. I guess this is Coney. Wow, cute. Meet Simran. Now we come to in my every vlog she's there. I don't know how. She's my best friend, so that is why she's here. Okay. So now we are in Soho. We are getting our nails done, and we were just discussing what we have to get done. We've not decided yet. The prep is going on.
Office t-shirts.
Don't promote your office in my YouTube.
Oh my god, influencer. वो मेरे ऑफिस में आएंगे सीवी आएंगे और
Prepping. Clock.
मगर मशीन तो
Guys, we are done with the nails. Simran is just finishing hers, and look how pretty. Oh my god. I had only thought of going ombre, but then I added a flower, and the flower is looking so pretty. So that's it for this vlog. If you like the video, click on the like button, and if you want to see more such content, click on the subscribe button, and I'll see you all in the next video.